So I had the funniest image as Jan was reading this for this idea of being worthy. So I want us to do a very light-hearted meditation today. And in this meditation, I would like you to imagine that you have a sparkly wand. It's like a magic wand, like a fairy godmother. And with that wand, you're going to imagine the person beside you, and you will tap them with that wand. You are worthy, and you are worthy, and you are worthy. And we're going to take this image of this lighthearted, we're the fairy godmothers, the fairy godfathers. We are the God lights here sharing this worthiness. So as we enter into a time of meditation, I'd like you to imagine different people in your life and imagine that you reach out and say, you are worthy. Touch them on the head with that wand. You are worthy. And allow Spirit to bring to you different people. People from your past. People from your present life. Your grandchildren, your partner, anyone that comes to mind. And imagine that wand. You are worthy. You are worthy. Who will Spirit bring to your mind? You are worthy. 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 And as you imagine that magic wand, take that wand and touch the top of your head. You too are worthy. I am worthy. All people are worthy as children of God. Let that light of worthiness surround you, fill you, expand through you to touch every person that you meet and that you interact with. As we breathe in and as we breathe out, let that thought of worthiness fill you, surround you, flow through you. And so it is.